In Excel, there are 3 tabs that appear when you create a chart. These are tabs that are not part of the normal ribbons, but they appear when you create a chart. They are the Design tab, the Layout tab, and the Format tab. And it's important to get familiar with these, and I guarantee you it's going to take a while if you haven't been working with charts to think about where a particular option is. But the Design tab is really about the initial structure of the chart. What type of chart are you choosing? How is your data laid out? Which data are you choosing, and so forth, and some basic styles. Also, where does your chart appear? Is it within the workbook, or within that worksheet, or is it in a separate sheet all by itself? So that's in the Design tab. In the Layout tab, you're looking at things like, do you have a chart title, and where are your axis titles, and do you have a legend, and so forth. But there's also some options here that have to do with the actual layout of different series of data in your table, and we're going to come back to that. There's some new analysis tools in this version of Excel that also allow you to create trend lines and up and down bars and so forth. So the Layout tab is very important in terms of how your chart looks and how it's laid out. And then finally, the Format tab, that's really kind of, the colors, the fills of different objects and so forth, and how things kind of look on the page. You'll find you tend to use the Format tab the least. You'll spend most of your time in Design and Layout. But it's important to kind of get familiar with those 3 ribbons and know where the different features are so you're not clicking all over the place.